All right, welcome back. If I sound excited, well, my last box was pretty good. No showcase, but hey, Hyperspace Foil Legendary. If you've already watched the video, you know what it was. If you haven't, I don't know that I'll show it. Maybe. Should I show it? I'll show it. Okay. Since I've been doing... Look at that. All right. But come back for the last box of this case so you can see them all. This was part of the first box, but once for my last box, I've been keeping all the legendaries on the side so I can show it, because I don't like to film a whole case together, but I do every box, and pretty much been doing just cracking the case today. So, but at the end of this, I'm going to show everything I got for case hits. All right, let's get to this. So yeah, first box was only 3 legendaries, so it was kind of boo-hoo. But second box was woohoo. It was sexy. Definitely nice. And it was 2 Dark Sabers, 1 regular, one Hyperspace Foil. So first Hyperspace Foil I pulled, and it does not disappoint, I'll tell you that much. Probably a little bit out of focus, I apologize. For some reason these iPhones just don't like to work properly anymore. I think it's time for a new one. But I could also be just my eyes, because my eyes have been getting bad. That's what happens when you get old. Your eyesight starts to go. All right. I wonder if you can beat 5 legendaries in a box. So far, 4 boxes. 3 of them had 5 legendaries. 2 of them, or 1 of them, just 3. Hyperspace Foil, only a common, but it's still Hyperspace Foil. I really want to showcase. If I get a showcase in this case, I will play it as my new constructed deck, no matter what it is. At least for a month. So. Ooh, I'll take it. That's a playset for me. I pulled one in my first box. I pulled one in today's pre-release, the pack they gave us just for participating, which they gave us at the beginning, had a Snoke in it. And then my 6 packs inside my pre-release had a Rey and Kylo Ren's ship, whatever it's called, silencer. So 2 legendaries in there, so 3 legendaries for the pre-release. That was pretty good. Although my buddy Ray, he got showcase Hunter. Not the best one, but it's still a showcase, so I was jealous. Should have been mine, but it's all right. I'm not too lucky for myself, but I am luck for others. So. I'm really hoping that this set isn't mapped like the other set. I hope the legendaries are all random, because it'd be sad. It was always a bummer in the first set. And you kind of got a shit legendary and you knew all the rest of them next to them were shit, so. Let's hope that's not the case this time. Hyperspace foil, come on, can it be a legendary? I don't think so, it doesn't look like it, but it's not seeing much. Sexy looking. Okay. Millennium Falcon. All right, these legendaries kind of hiding on me. All right, that's a new one for me. Mr. DJ. What do even DJs do? Do. When playing uses smoke, take control of an enemy resource. When this unit leaves play, the resource owner takes control of it. Oh, wow, really? Wait, and it doesn't tap, so you take it? And I'm assuming it stays untapped if you took an untapped one? So you get to choose. You don't get to see them, right? But you have to pay 7 for them instead of 3. And double cunning. Ooh, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. It's still a great card. It's a Bubba. I mean, yeah, it's a Boba Fett unit. It doesn't ping the 3 damage, but it's a great 3-drop. 3/5 for 3 is great. And if you need to resources, I mean, I don't know about paying 7, but I don't know. But it's a new legendary, so I'm glad. I'm getting stuff, I'm not getting all the same stuff, so I'll take it. I'll take it. Six packs left, I think. Could be wrong, but I think could be 8. I don't know. It's hard to see. You might know more than I do, because you probably know how many packs I open, and I don't. Ooh, double rare pack. It's always nice. Always nice. Ooh, hyperspace foil. Can it be a legendary? I hope it is. I doubt it is, though. Don't think you get that many in a case. I think I've gotten multiple in a case, though. Could be wrong. This thing is freaking ridiculous. You can't use it on leaders, but Jesus, man. It's like a way better No Good To Me Dead, except No Good To Me Dead you can play on leaders, and it costs 2, I believe, instead of 3. But this doesn't go away unless you have some way to... Now it's 6 packs left. Some way to defeat upgrades, which obviously you can, but in limited, where you're not likely to pull something to defeat upgrades, it really sucks. I'll tell you that much. Someone played one on me, but... And then I was watching the last match, and the 2 guys that finished last, they didn't finish last, but they were the last to finish their games. One of them had played 2 of them on his opponent, and I was just like, jeez, that sucks. And I doubt he has anything to defeat upgrades, and he didn't, so like 2 units just gone for no reason. Well, a reason. They were in Carbonite. All right, well, is this gonna be a 2 I need 1 more legendary at least. Jeez, man, this is, I hate this part of it because it gets scary at this point when you only have 2 legendaries, and you're thinking to yourself, it's just gonna be a 2 legendary box, because I've gotten that in the first set, and I tell you what, it sucks. It really sucks. Okay, perfect. I think I have a play set of that now. Maybe an extra. And a rare foil. I'll take it. So 3, not bad. Okay. Yeah, I always feel like when I open on the first set, when I opened the box that was only 2 legendaries, I thought to myself, I was like, okay, I believe it was part of a case, so I'm like, that's fine. I'm glad I'm the one who got it, even though I'm not, because it kind of sucks still. But I'm like, I would hate this box to be someone's first experience. They go in, they buy a box, and literally just get 2 legendaries. I mean, maybe they don't know any better, but that just sucks. So, I don't know. My opinion. It happens, but, you know. It shouldn't. All right, so weaker box, but I'll take it because it's still not a 2 legendary box. So hopefully I don't see any of those this time around. So 3 legendaries I'm okay with, especially ones I haven't seen, so, or ones that complete my playset. Ooh, I hope that's a legendary. Is it? Is it? No, I don't think so. Some of you might be able to tell what it is already, but I can't. And nope, it's a common. All right, well, Mr. DJ. Where's his turntables? So no bonus in this box, but hey, playset, pretty happy with that. So always good to get a playset so that you can figure out what you're gonna get, or when you figure out what you're gonna play, then you have the cards. All right, well, once again, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Subscribe if you haven't and you want to see the rest of the videos. But most importantly, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Get out there and play some Star Wars, people. It's a fun game. You'll enjoy it. All right, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.